Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my Birchbox unboxing, and this box design is super cool. They really stepped it up this month. I was kind of exploring the box when I first saw it because it's kind of unique. It like sits in here, and there's this whole little saying on the inside where you can pause it if you want to read it, but it's pretty cute. It's very neat. Well-made box. I'm definitely going to repurpose. And then here's the card on the inside. As we close out the year, we want to take a moment to say thank you. Products on the back that I'm going to put aside for now. Oh, is this? No, it's not. I'm sorry. I thought this was another sample of this new deodorant that's like all natural. It's from the brand Wild something. Simply Earth has like a sister company that made this new deodorant that's really awesome. But this isn't it. It's a different brand. It's charcoal magnesium. Has a good scent to it. But I've been trying natural deodorant lately, and it's not bad. Okay, so the next item is from Model Co. Highlighting Shimmer Whip in Champagne. So let's take a look at that. That's pretty. I'm not much into highlighter, but maybe I'll try that. Also have Phase Zero Cotton Candy Blusher. I feel like I have gotten this before from a different box. That sounds familiar. Let's take a look. There we go. Cool matte black packaging there. And there's the blush. I'm so pale that I feel like blush looks weird on me, so I probably won't use that. Maybe I should get a different try though and see if I like it. It's been ages since I've tried blush. So this is Be Kind Matcha and Apple Replenishing Shampoo and a Conditioner. One says matcha and apple, and this one says kale and apple. I know I've had products from this brand before, and I remember liking them, but I don't think I tried the shampoo, so that's really cool. I love shampoo products. And the last item is by Marcel, New Age Precision. This is an 8-in-1 Power Serum. Very cool. So let's take a look at the card. Tells you all the values of the products if you buy them full size, and some more information about them. Like deodorant's $10 if you get full size. Very cool. So if you guys are not already subscribed to Birchbox, I will put my link below in case you want to join. I've been subscribed for years and I love it. Get to try all sorts of new stuff, hair, makeup items, all sorts of stuff. So thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.